of this oil is carrot whitening oil. Okay, you can see the way it is. So this is pure oil. I don't know which of this oil that somebody may be rebranding and be selling there out there in the market, because believe me, these oils are oils they rebrand and they sell. Welcome back to my channel. This is HBM Organic Beauty. I don't know, I'm just so happy today. Oh my god, it's Christmas. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing fine. So yeah, just a quick one today. So today I just want to quickly talk about some raw whitening serums. Raw, when I mean raw, they are not just this ordinary serum people will just carry propylene glycol, carry vegetable glycerin, put coloring and tell you that is whitening this, is whitening that. Yeah, so I'm just bringing this to your awareness, especially those of you that does PROMIXING, those of you that sells whitening products. If you need a good raw whitening oil, when I mean good raw whitening oil, this one is a whitening oil. If you know that you're not doing whitening product, don't buy. But if you know that you're doing whitening products, you're doing whitening product, like your brand is a whitening product brand, please buy this raw whitening oil. You know, let me give you one secret. Most of the time you see kojic acid serum, you see glutathione serum. Most of the time, most of these products, they are being packaged. Yeah, I'm telling you, it's not as if they are fake. They are not fake, but they buy these raw oils from a particular company. So when they buy those oil, they rebrand. Take for an example, this oil I'm holding. This oil is a whitenizer. Okay, this is a whitenizer. This oil now, I can decide to rebrand this oil into serum bottle. Then I'll just put my name and I'll start selling. I'll just put my name, I'll collect trademark for it, I will do all the necessary thing I'm supposed to do, and I will push it to the market, push it to trade fair, push it to all this big market, and they will start selling. I can decide to name this, okay, Moroccan whitening oil. I can decide to name it Chinese whitening oil. I can decide to name it Japanese whitening oil. I can decide to name it any name I want to name it, and people start buying. Yes, it's just as simple as that. So I just want to give you a link, a confirmed legit link, if you know you need all this raw whitening oil. So I'll be dropping the contact of where you can get this raw whitening oil down in the description box. So just check the description box. You're going to see the supplier name. His name is Mr. Jerry. You're going to see his contact. So you can just chat him. So you can just chat him up on WhatsApp if you need this raw whitening oil. I actually used one of this oil in the last video I made. I used this oil. I don't know if you still remember, but I know I use this oil. So they sent me some samples. Yeah, a whole lot of samples here, and we're going to be talking about it. So first of all, let me just start by talking about all the whitening oils that they have. Let's talk about this oil. The name of this oil is carrot whitening oil. Okay, you can see the way it is. So this is pure oil. I don't know which of this oil that somebody may be rebranding and be selling there out there in the market, because believe me, these oils are oils they rebrand and they sell. Okay, so you as a skincare formulator that sells whitening products, you know it's not economical and it's not profitable for you to go out there and start packing a whole lot of serum bottles. You know, these serum bottles, they come in 30 ml. So let's say for instance, if they're selling one of this bottle for 1,006, or they are selling for 2,000 naira, how many of the serum bottles will you pour into your cream? Say for instance, you're making 100 bottles of 250 ml of lotion, then how many will you buy? So at the end of the day, how much do you want to sell the cream? So you can see there's no profit. So the best thing you can do to make profits and to also make effective whitening cream is by buying them raw. Okay, when you buy them raw, they are more cheaper, because you know they will not give you the cost of rebranding and other things. These are the oils, they are coming in the raw form. So if they can be selling serum and you're buying those serum in the market, so there's nothing wrong from buying this oil. But the thing is that just buy from the right source, because believe me, I say a whole lot of oils out there. Some will say Indian oil, some will say Cotonou oil, some will say, you know, they just name me different kind of oils I don't use them but this one I am sure, okay, I am very sure, because this one that I used to make, the last DIY I made on this channel, I gave it to somebody and she's really seeing results. So that was what made me to believe that, oh, this oil actually worked, and that is what made me to come out and to talk about this oil. If I didn't see it working, I will not come and talk about it, because I wouldn't want you guys to come for me. So this one now is carrot whitening oil, okay, and this one is strong, okay, this one is strong. So I'm going to be telling you the strong ones here. So you can purchase this from Mr. Jerry, and you can use this carrot whitening for face cream, you can use it for lotion, yeah, face cream and lotion, okay, you're good to go, okay. So this is for carrot whitening. I think I like that name. I love the color, like it looks like a rose hip oil actually. So this is so nice, and this, I think you can also add this to your glow oil, yeah. So in case you sell glow oil, you want to sell lightening or whitening glow oil, just add this to your base oil, then you can add in your herbs, then you bottle up, and when your clients use it, they will not go dark, okay. So that is for carrot whitening oil. This is the bomb, okay, this is the bomb. So another oil I'll be talking about is the whitenizer, okay. It's a serum, but it is a whitenizer, okay. So this also is very strong. So just asking the names of the serum, just as I've mentioned it, is going to give them to you. So this is whitenizer, this is carrot whitening oil. You can combine these two together and you're gonna have a whitening cream that is super effective, okay. So there's another whitening serum I'm going to show you that they also have. This is a whitening serum, and this is water based, so you can use this for cleanser, you can use this on your face, you can use it for face cream, you can use it for body cream, you know, this whole serum you can use it for face and body, okay. So you can use this for cleanser because this is water, like it has a water base, a kind of, so you can add this to your whitening cleanser. If you're the type that sells whitening cleanser, you can use this to your whitening cleanser. These products are super effective, and they are coming from the right source. They are not fake, they are original, they work, they are very effective. So if you're a skincare formulator that you sell whitening products, you're good to go. Please just try this out. See, let me tell you one secret you don't know. You see all these big skincare brand you're seeing on Instagram, trust me now whitening product they sell, let's be frank, whitening product sells, like it sells like mad. We that sell natural skincare products sell, we know they sell rich them. Whitening products sells, okay, they sells. It's just that everybody have what they want their brand to be known for, okay. I want to be known for natural, like I want to be known for natural. So everybody have what their brand stand for. We have some people that are specializes in whitening product, and believe me, this is their secrets. Don't come for me, oh, you people, don't come for me, oh, please, oh, but I'm just trying to enlighten people here. You see, there's love in sharing. This is their secret though, because you cannot expect them to go and pack 10 cartons of serum and start pouring into large batch of lotion they make. This is all what they use. Believe me, they buy raw whitening oils and they had it during formulation, or they pro-mix it with whatever base they are working with, okay. So I have another oil that I want to talk about. This is a whitening collagen. So it is a collagen extract oil. So this is very important. If you're selling whitening cream, please add collagen. You need collagen. Collagen helps for green vein. It helps take care of green vein and stretch marks. So if you're making any whitening cream, you're promising any whitening cream, please, this is a must. This is a must. This is a must. Make sure you add collagen extract to your whitening cream. So let's say you're using the carrot whitening oil and you're using the whitenizer, please make sure you add your collagen extract also. So another oil I want to talk about, I made use of this oil last time. This was actually the one they gave to me first. So this is a one touch castor oil. I really talk about a particular serum that I used to see in the market, and that serum name is Yeah, I've seen it before. Okay, this is a raw whitening oil, so this is a half cast oil also. So that is it for all the oils I have here. So if you need any of this oil, if you're into PROMIXING of whitening cream, you make whitening cream, please just try and get any of this oil from this supplier. I'll be dropping his contact down in the description box, so you can just chat him up on WhatsApp, then you purchase from him. Their product is okay, they buy from the right source, and that is it, guys. So if you've not joined our skincare class yet, I think that is when the last batch for this year will start their class. So if you know you've not enrolled yet, you can still enroll. And for our body enhancement class also, believe me, I don't want to talk much. Body enhancement, oh my god, I don't want to talk much, but I know that for sure is that one thing is for sure: when you pay for any of our classes, you're not going to regret it. So if you know you've not enrolled, class starts on 28th of this month, the last class for the year, the last batch for the year, and we don't know when we'll start training again. So just endeavor to enroll by sending a WhatsApp message to this number you're seeing up on the screen to register. Okay, thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Bye.